Finger millet, shown here, is a crop that is very important in parts of Asia and Africa. It is a drought-tolerant crop, and so in most places it's grown under rain-fed conditions rather than irrigation. The name comes from the seed head, which is supposed to look like a hand with the fingers projecting. The seed, you can see, is pretty small, although bigger than some of the other millets. The presumed place of origin is the highlands of Ethiopia and Uganda, and that area is still where a lot of finger millet is produced, but the biggest producer is India. When I lived in Nepal, this crop was the preferred substrate for making alcohol, either a rustic beer fermented or a distilled beverage that was like a vodka. The crop is relatively unbothered by fungal diseases or insects. It does have a few, but it is one of the resilient understudied crops that is now getting a lot more attention than it has received in the past.